everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. So as you can see, I have a Madam Glam box here to show you guys, and some of the things I ran out of it, so I got it like a second bottles, and some of them I really wanted to try. So let's see what's inside the box. So here what you see inside the box, all of the Madam Glam products are vegan, cruelty free, 9-free formula and hammer free, so they are really safe to use on your nails or on your client's nails. I also have a 30% off coupon for them, which you can use to save some money on their products. I will link everything in the description box below, so do check it out. I will also add the links of the colors that I've got here, and yeah, so let's get started. So the first color I have here is called Back to Cali, and this one is more like a pastel-y lavender purpley colors, really pretty one. And this one is like my second bottle and I'm really loving it. It goes with everything, smells really good. And since I already had this color, I'll show you the swatch of this. So here's the swatch of Back to Cali, and as you can see, it's just a really pretty pastel-y nude color and more like a mauvey color, and you know, it just goes with every skin tone. I've applied on every skin tone and it just looks amazing, so it's a must have in your collection, I would say. 2 coats is just totally enough. Okay, so the next one is a very popular one too, and this one is called Rosy Nude, and this is my second bottle. As you can see, it's a very nice light pinkish nude color, and let me open it for you. And here we go, such a pretty one. And again, it is very opaque, and you just need 2 coats of this and you're good to go. It will look great on every single skin tone. It's an amazing color. So here's the swatch of Rosy Nude. Only 2 coats, you just need 2 coats, and it looks amazing. You can do a lot of things with this, you know, you can do like glitter ombre or French nails, baby boomer, like endless things you can do with this. So let me show you the baby rosy nude color. This one I got in their advent calendar, in 2019 advent calendar, and it's such a, like, I just ran out of this. I used it a lot. So yeah, this is the mini one and that's the full size. You can see the difference. It's like a mommy and baby. So cute. So now the next one is the gray color, and this is called Cashmere Gray, and that's how it looks. It's a very light gray color. Let me just show you. So look at that, it's such a pretty gray, very pigmented. Again, you just need 2 coats of this color. Amazing on every skin tone. So here is the swatch of Cashmere Gray, and as you can see, so pretty, and it smells good too actually. So yeah, I've used this a lot. So again, here's the tiny bottle which I got in advent calendar, and this one is the full size bottle of Cashmere Gray. You have to have this color in your collection. It's a must have, I would say. It will look great on every skin tone, and just 2 coats on natural nails and that's it. Like, you can do endless things with this again. So yeah, these are like very popular colors from Madam Glam. I would highly recommend. So now here I have their Perfect White and Perfect Black gel polish, and I have not seen any gel polish that opaque. Perfect White, I would say you need 3 coats on natural nails, but Perfect Black, I just do 1 coat and it's just good to go. And as the name says, Perfect White, Perfect Black, they are a very opaque colors, so it's a must have in your collection. You will not regret it. I just love these. So next I have this glitter gel polish, and this one is called Earth Day Every Day, and it is a very pretty glitter polish. This was always out of stock on their website, but I finally got it, so I'm really happy. And I don't have this in my collection, so that's how it looks. Look at these glitters, it's so beautiful. So since I don't have it, I'm gonna swatch it and show you guys how it looks. So guys, here's the swatch of Earth Day every day, and it's such a pretty glitter polish. It's not chunky at all, as you can see. You just need two thin coats and a top coat. Looks like it's gonna look great on accent nails, or you know, like just ombre nails. Now the next one is their builder gel in the color Builder Tan. That's how it looks. Let me just open it for you. They are very thick and nude. So that is Builder Tan. Let me just swatch these for you. So that's how it looks, guys. Builder Tan. It's really pretty and nude color. It will look great on, you know, just as a base. And I'm actually thinking to apply this and put that glitter like on the tips, so it will look so great and it looks so amazing. Yeah, that's Builder Tan. So next I've got the velvet matte top coat, and for some reason I just don't have the matte top coat. I don't know why it took that long, but I finally got it, so I'm gonna show you how it looks. So here I've painted perfect black on this nail, and let's make it matte. And now cure it for 60 seconds. So yeah guys, I've just cured the matte top coat, and look at this, it's just so matte. It just mattifies the nail really well, and there's just no shine whatsoever, and it's so velvety. It does have this sticky layer, so you just have to clean it with rubbing alcohol and you're good to go. So the last item I want to show you are these air cushion nail pens. So I've got 4 of these. I just want to try these. They seal these pens with this plastic here, so you just pull it out and use it. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and show you each color. So all of these pen has 0.5 gram of product inside, and these are chrome powder but in a pen, so very convenient. The only thing I don't see here are the names of these. There's just no name. I will find which color I got, so I will put it on the screen for you so you can see which one I'm applying. So yeah, all these pens are vegan, cruelty free, hammer free, gluten free. It has like 12 months of expiry date from the day you purchase these. So let me just open it, and now here you just see the color. So there's a product inside here, and that's the sponge. So every time you just twist it and bring more product in and rub it on the nail. So here I have prepared my nails to apply these chrome pens. I've put like half side black and half white, so you can see that how it looks on the white and how it looks on the black. And also I've applied a no wipe top coat on these, because chrome pens you only apply on no wipe top coat, or else it will not, you know, transfer really nicely. So that'll be really interesting. And can we just take a moment to appreciate the lines that I've created? It's so crisp. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. So let's begin the swatching of these chrome pens. So yeah, just rub the color on the nail, and if you think it's finished, as you can see, there's nothing left now. So I'm just gonna grab the pen and just twist it like that, and now you have more product here, and then just start rubbing again. So that's how it looks, guys. The first color is done, and you can see how it looks on the white and the black. gives a really pretty effect. I'm really loving it. So pretty. And after this, you just apply a no wipe top coat and cure for 60 seconds, and yeah, you're good to go. So that's how they look, guys, after I've applied a top coat. I really like how they look. The effect is really beautiful. The color on the white is more like pink and pearly looking, but on the black you see a different color. Like this one is more orange, more green, and like a peacock kind of green, and then more like pink. But I really like how they turned out. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite and have you got these. And it is actually mess free because it's in the bottle. It just you just twist and just apply, so it's very mess free and very easy to apply. So that's all for the video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching my little haul from Madam Glam and the swatches of chrome pens and some of the new colors that I got. I would like to know which one is your favorite color from Madam Glam and what color you always like to do on yourself, on your clients. So all the links I've put in the description box for these along with my coupon code, so do check it out. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video then. Bye bye.